Okay, collagen is found in every part of body. It ranges from about 20 to 75% of the body. It's found in our skin, it's found in our hair, our nails, our blood vessels, our muscles. Now, collagen loss occurs every day through aging process, through inflammation, disease, free radical attacks, and also UV exposure. And the loss of collagen is about 1.25 to 1.5% a year. So if we look at the collagen curve, man tends to lose lesser collagen, while woman loses more collagen due to the loss of the hormone estrogen. Now at the age of 20, most of collagens are in full. As we age over the years, at the age of 30, 40, and 50, if we look at the collagen curve, we have found that more than 50% of the men's collagen are lost, while the woman about 55%. Now, as a result, we have wrinkling skin, our body tends to, the skin tends to sag, and our skin become dry, and also we have all the the structures cut. Now, the loss of collagen is inevitable. So, as such, in the market, collagen is used as a supplement. Now, in order to fulfill as a good supplement, there are three criteria. First, it has to have the right collagen. And secondly, it has to have the right size. And thirdly, it has to have the right amount. When we talk about right collagen, our research in France found that the collagen from the fish scales and the skin, they are very similar to that of a human collagen. As such, fishes like herring, trouts, even pollard oil, they have very similar collagen molecules as the human body. As such, when taken the right collagen, it can be easily absorbed into the body and form the human collagen. The second criteria is having the right size. The right size of collagen molecule should be between 1,000 to 2,000 Dalton, which make it bioavailable into the body. One may be taking a lot of bird nests, and if the collagen molecules are too big, they are just wasted. Only the collagen with the right size between 1,000 to 2,000 Daltons are easily absorbed into the body. And finally, you have to have the right amount of collagen. That is about 5,000 milligrams per day. 5,000 milligrams of collagen is equivalent to 3 bird nests, which is impossible for one to take. If you do not have 5,000 milligrams of collagen per day, you are unable to see the effects. Consuming collagen is very important. Even if our bone, if we look at the bone, 75% of the bone marrow is made up of collagen tied up with calcium. And this is called collagen, it's called calcium hydroxyapatite. Now, if one were to just take calcium and magnesium alone, it will not fulfill the bone density, because collagen is very important. It ties the mineral calcium together in the bone. So by taking collagen, it can also improve your mobility or also improve your joint health. Okay, supplementation of collagen is important, but it's not adequate. We need to restore the broken collagen in the body. But in order to restore the collagen, let us understand the inflammation process again. Now, according to Dr. Linus Pauling, our body contains 20 to 30,000 of these inactive cells, which are in the form of benign or in the form of tumor. These cells could be easily controlled when you consume high amount of vitamin C or antioxidant, such as green tea extract, acai berries, vegetables and fruits, or even alpha-lipoic acid. When these benign cells are being attacked by free radicals in the form of our food that we consume each day, the water and the air that we breathe, it will produce the collagen dissolving enzymes. The collagen dissolving enzymes will go to the inflammatory part and begin to destroy the collagen fibers. which is actually a protection layer, like a Jericho wall, that protects any microorganism from one part going to a different part of the body. When this collagen fibers been destroyed by this collagen dissolving enzyme, it will trigger and send messages to these primary benign cells in the form of chemokines. Now, these cells will then begin to proliferate or begin to spread, and they grow in numbers. And this process is called metastasis, especially in cancer. It means that the cells begin to grow from a stage 1 to a stage 2 to a stage 3, depending on the amount of cells being proliferated. Now, once the cells begin to leave the body, it goes to a stage 4, in which the cell leaves and goes to different part of the body. From stage 1 to stage 3, it can take between a month to even 40 years. But once it reaches stage 4, it can take from a month to 4 months. Now, Professor Linus Pauling from United States and Dr. Raj, they were studying the people in Okinawa and Iceland and Norwegian, where they have very little cases of inflammation and cancer. And one of it he found was the source of food that they are taking. There's either they are taking a lot of vegetable and also white fish. And he began to isolate this first amino acid, that is an L-lysine. Professor Linus Pauling started an experiment with 20 white mice and impregnated them with breast cancer. When he fed them with an L-lysine diet, he found that 60% of the breast cancer cells were stopped. And this because of the L-lysine that blocks the collagen dissolving enzyme. And he called this technique enzyme blocking therapy. Now, ever since this enzyme blocking therapy was found, a lot of researchers begin to proliferate from the research of amino acid, or so-called proteomic science. Other amino acids were identified that were the L-lysine, the L-prolines, and the L-arginine, and together vitamin C. When all these amino acids were added into the diet, what happened that it stopped the process of metastasis. At the same time, it also helps to restore back the broken collagen, because the collagen is made up of the amino acid L-lysine, L-proline, L-lysine, L-proline, tied by the hydroxyl of vitamin C. So in this Anew Collogen, we have the restoration effect that will be able to restore back those broken collagen within the body. Now, the third aspect, besides supplementation and restoration of the broken collagen, is the prevention part, in which in this formulation, a lot of super antioxidants have been added into the product. Antioxidant in the form of berries, in the form of alpha lipoic acids, and all the super antioxidants will add that so that it will prevent free radicals from further attacking the cells, causing inflammation that causes the broken collagen. So Anew Collogen is not just a supplement collagen. It has three functions. Apart from supplementation, it also restores the broken collagen and prevent further destruction of the collagen fiber. As such, it is called antioxidant amino collagen. Anew Collogen is a very powerful formulation by D. Miracle International. It is effective and is long-lasting. It prevents wrinkles. It brings radiance to the skin. It helps in the joints. It also helps in mobility. And it also helps moisturizing of the skin. So it is lasting, it has a lasting effect, and it is very effective.